Hi, today I want to show you how to crochet this lovely bag with some colorful flowers. So if you are interested, stay with me. And I just quickly want to encourage you to leave a thumb up and click that subscribe button so I can develop my channel. We are going to need 3 balls of yarn, mine is from Drops, and 4mm crochet hook. If you also want to make flowers, you're gonna need a sewing needle and some threads in different colors. Let's start by making a magic circle. This is the beginning of the yarn, and now I'm wrapping around my fingers, insert the hook and yarn over. Be careful because this isn't stable for now. And now we are gonna chain 3. Just yarn over and pull through. Now it is time to crochet 12 double crochets into the circle. So yarn over, insert the loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And we need to crochet 12 double crochets. After that we can close our magic circle, just pull the yarn. And to close this row we are going to crochet slip stitch. Insert the hook, yarn over and pull through 2. And now we are going to do 2 double crochet in one stitch and repeat that till the end of this row. Chain 3. And close with slip stitch. Again starting by chaining 3. Then 2 double crochets in first stitch. Then 2 double crochet in first stitch. After that 1 single double crochet, and after that 2 double crochets into 1 stitch and repeat. In next row we are going to crochet 2 single double crochets between 2 double crochets in 1 stitch. Then 3, 4, 5, and we are gonna finish with 10 single double crochets between. And this is how the circles are looking, and you can see I did some flowers, but there is room for one more, so now I will show you how I did them. I'm taking a yellow thread and threading the needle. We are going to work with double thread. I'm just inserting needle from the back, and now I'm trying to make something that looks like a circle. So I'm inserting needle a few times. And when I'm happy with the effect, I'm threading needle with another color. Insert needle from the back. And now work just like this and wrap thread around needle before you pull it. And now I'm inserting needle behind my first flower petal. And pulling it back near the center, and I repeat this around. And this is how the flower is looking. Now we need to crochet a strap, so we are gonna chain 250. After that, I'm closing the chain in a circle with slip stitch. And now I'm going to crochet single crochet in every stitch. And I'm going to do 3 rows of single crochet. Now it is time for final step, connecting all pieces together. Take the strap and the front of the back. And now we are going to crochet 120 single crochets to join these two pieces just like that. After that, join back of the back. And this is all. If you make this bag, please tag me on your Instagram pictures. If you want to learn more, please make sure that you've subscribed to my channel, and if you found that video helpful, please leave a thumb up and comment below. Thank you, and I hope to see you later.